Here's the bread that I'm using. It's pita bread, the no pocket kind. And in here is a pack of, I believe, 5 of them. I'll be using 2. And each one kind of just looks like this. So it's kind of like a flat surface, easy to put things on. So that's what this looks like. For chicken, what I have done is, I actually just grilled like regular chicken, but you can, use any kind of chicken that you have, and then I've just like taken off the bone and it's just all shredded out. I'm also going to be using, so this is a Nigerian stew base, and it's a kind of tomato sauce mix, but it has tomatoes, it has like bell peppers, onions, garlic, and it's just a lot more flavorful. But you can use any kind of like tomato sauce that you have. Again, this is homemade. You can definitely use a conventional tomato sauce, or you can use like a pizza sauce. And then for topping, I'm just going to be using good old shredded cheese. If you have your kids have like a favorite kind of cheese, or they don't eat cheese, you do not have to do that. All I'm going to do is assemble this, and then I'm going to put it in the oven. It's easy peasy, individual pizza size.